Hi, this is your teacher Megan. Welcome to my house. Let's go inside and I'll give you a tour. So when you first come into my house, you'll see my living room, and oh, this is my cat, Duyu. His name means soy milk in Korean because my husband found him when he was a kitten when we used to live in South Korea. So we have a lot of bookshelves in our house. My parents are librarians, so our house doesn't really feel... Oh, hi, Duyu. Thank you for joining us. So my house doesn't really feel like a home unless it has a lot of books in it. Oh, yeah. So this is a bunch of, you can see there's little pots here with soil, and I'm trying to grow flowers and vegetables and things here. Hopefully they will turn into some plants soon. I also wanted to show you guys my bike. I really like this bike. It's a red vintage Schwinn, and it was all fixed up for me by a local bike shop called The Broken Spoke. Alright, next I'm going to show you guys my kitchen. Here it is. Here's the fridge. Let's see what we got in there. Alright, so my fridge is pretty full right now because we're, only going to the grocery store once every week or two. This is a big jar of iced tea. We drink a lot of iced tea. I don't really like coffee, and my husband Matt recently stopped drinking coffee, so yeah, we're drinking lots of tea around here. Matt also really likes to drink this kind of milk. It has like extra fat or something in it. I don't know how this happened, but we also somehow ended up with 3 different things of peanut butter. This is, your regular, just creamy peanut butter. This is peanut butter with coconut oil in it. I don't really like it as much, but we'll probably eat it eventually. And then this is sunflower seed butter. It's supposed to taste like peanut butter. I bought this for when Matt was working in the public schools because you can't always take peanuts to public schools in America because sometimes children have allergies. This is also less delicious than regular peanut butter. So we have all these peanut butters, but this is the only one that I actually like. One thing that I always get compliments on in my kitchen is this pegboard here. So you see we've got like little hooks, and then we can just hook pots and pans and whatever onto it. So it's a very efficient way to store things. I can't take credit. I didn't install this. It was here when we moved in, but I do really like it. So this is going to sound silly, but one of the things I like most about my house is actually my laundry room. You can see I've got a washing machine and a dryer, and we keep the cat food on top of the dryer just to have it out of the way. A lot of houses and apartments in Iowa City and other places in North America too don't always have a washing machine in them. And so that was really important to me when we moved in here that we had a washing machine because I don't like to have to go to the laundromat. It's annoying. So like I mentioned, I do also have a dryer, and I use it for towels and stuff, but I actually kind of do a lot of my laundry. I just hang it up to dry, and I know that's pretty normal in Asia, but it's not as common in North America, and this was a habit that we picked up when we lived in South Korea. All right, so next we're gonna head into the bedroom. So you can see we have a cat tree there, and oh, there's Duyu again. I really like the sheets I have on my bed right now. Here you can see the pillowcase. They're very soft. They're flannel. They're from Target, and I really like the pictures on them. These are puffins. They're a very cute bird that lives in the ocean near the part of Canada that I'm from. So these birds, there's lots of them in Newfoundland where I'm from. Yeah, and the sheets are very cozy and soft. This is the top of a pineapple. So just the leafy part at the top of a pineapple, if you cut it off and put it in the soil, it'll grow into a plant. And so this has been growing here for about 2 years. My mother-in-law has one too, and hers is about, way taller than mine, but it's doing a good job being cute in the bathroom. All right, next we're gonna head upstairs. So upstairs here, this is where I teach my Zoom classes. So you can see I've got a computer and an extra monitor set up there, and I've got a chair. This desk setup is not very comfortable at all, but I sit here for you because I care about your education. So over here near my desk from work, this is a portrait of me that one of my friends drew when we were in high school. So we got young me, old me, young me, old me. So you may recognize this cat if you've been watching many of my classes online. This is Athena. She's our other cat. We got her in America from an American website called Craigslist that Americans use to kind of buy and sell and trade things. We didn't pay any money for her. The family that had her before just gave her to us for free because they thought that we would take good care of her, and we do. We love her very much, and she's a very helpful TA. So like everywhere else in my house, the attic up here has a lot of plants in it. Some of them, like this spider plant, used to be in my office at the university, but I brought them home with me when the university closed down so that they could still get water. Let's see, this is a baby tomato plant. So by the end of the summer, this will probably be more than 1 meter tall. You can see it's not very tall right now. I hope that it will produce some tomatoes that I can eat. I do have, these are really, really baby tomato plants. They're younger than the one I just showed you. Yeah, if you think you might want a tomato plant, send me a message. I might be able to give you one.